sign the agreement. As you know, part of the work has already been done. We have to continue with that work. As far as payment is concerned, we will pay according to the progress of the construction.
Hi. Previously, Prof. Jomo said it's a scam to cover 1MDB scandal. Have that been established during the negotiation with China? And secondly, just now the reporter asked whether in exchange of 1MDB, I need to ask this to be exact. Is it in exchange of relocation of Mr. Jolo?
It has nothing to do with Mr. Jolo. But of course, we will seek the help of the Chinese government if at all it is in China. When we reduce the cost, it means, of course, that the interest rate also goes down. But there may be other areas where the cost will be reduced. This will be worked out later on.